Hi, in this video we're gonna discuss about laziness. Not exactly laziness, thread safe fully lazy instantiation for singleton implementation. The man told his doctor that he was not able to do all the things around the house that he used to do. When the examination was complete, he said, "Now, doctor, I can take it. Tell me in plain English, what is wrong with me?" Well, in plain English, the doctor replied, "You're just lazy." "Okay," said the man. "Now give me the medical term so I can tell my wife." Laughing out loud, remember it is not representing a person who always not ready to do things. Rather, it represents things done when it is really needed so that it would optimize the performance. One good example is creating DB connection object, since if it is not really required, you can simply defer creating it. While seeing the implementation, as usual, we have private constructor which restricts object instantiation from outside world. Oh, here we have nested class. We need to ask ourselves a question: why nested class to implement lazy instantiation? We shall see. Before that, we analyze the implementation further. If you look at the instance creation, it is marked internal static. Static, we know the reason. Why internal? Let's take out and see what's happening while compiling the. Oh, it's throwing error inaccessible, right? Even though it is nested class, its member cannot be accessed from the parent class when it is not marked as internal or public. Just look at little above, we have a method try accessing member of parent. In this method, we are accessing the private member of parent class. Yes, through cricket ball object, we are accessing ball counter, which is a private member of parent class. Now we understood that why it is internal. And also, nested class can access the private members of parent, but reverse is not true. We shall take out everything which are not required. We know that why we used static constructor and when it would be invoked. If not, let's debug the code and see. When you use static constructor, it gets invoked first time even before when the object instance is getting created or static member is getting invoked. As you can see, I am trying to create object for the thread safe cricket ball fully lazy class. I am pressing F11 everywhere to see what is happening. It is invoking get cricket ball method, and then it is invoking static member and creating cricket ball instance. Then comes back to private constructor of outer class. Then it comes to static constructor of nested class. Then it is returning to the client with the instant object. For the increment method, it does as usual. For the second time, when I try to create object for last ball, sealer hits get cricket ball method and return cricket ball object as it is already available. Then for this instance as well, it increments the ball counter as usual. Then it prints in the console singleton implemented as instances are same since both instances are same. And also it prints the number of balls bowled. You can see in the console. I would like also to highlight inner class and nested class differences. Java has inner class and nested class names due to how we declare them as static or non-static. But nowhere in MSDN or Microsoft or any other blocks they referred this term for the class as inner class. So .NET has only nested types. You can confidently tell that .NET has nested types or nested class, not inner class in any interviews. Why nested class? My most important reason is to access the private members of a outer class. You could ask, we can write the piece of code in the outer class itself. Yes, of course, we can do, but if you want to logically group classes and the outside world doesn't need to see anything of your implementation, so this is the only way to do it. Why do we not use public nested class? Notice that we have not used public nested class and it is private. It is merely a code smell using public nested class. It ignores the significance of the nested class like encapsulation, grouping of classes, everything. That's why we are using private nested class. Thanks for watching this video and listening to me. If you feel this information is helpful, kindly share it with others.